Amazon EC2 storage options. Amazon EC2 provides you with flexible, cost-effective, and easy-to-use data storage options for your instances. Each option has a unique combination of performance and durability. Various storage options are Amazon EBS, Amazon EC2 Instant Store, Amazon EFS, Amazon FSX for Windows File Server, Amazon FSX for Lustre, Amazon S3. Amazon EBS provides durable, block-level storage volumes that you can attach to a running instance. This volume behaves like a raw, unformatted, external block device that you can attach to a single instance. Many instances can access storage from disks that are physically attached to the host computer. This disk storage is referred to as instance store. It provides temporary block-level storage for instances. Amazon Elastic File System provides a simple, scalable, fully managed elastic NFS file system for use with Amazon EC2. You can create an EFS file system and configure instances to mount the file system. You can use an EFS file system as a common data source for applications running on multiple instances. Amazon FSX for Windows File Server provides fully managed Microsoft Windows file servers, backed by a fully native Windows file system. It has native support for Windows file system features, and for the industry-standard Server Message Block (SMB) protocol, to access file storage over a network. Amazon FSX for Lustre is POSIX compliant, fully managed service to run the popular, high-performance Lustre file system. You can use it for applications where speed matters, such as machine learning, high-performance computing, video processing, and financial modeling. Amazon S3 provides access to reliable and inexpensive data storage infrastructure. It is designed to make web-scale computing easier by enabling you to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time from within Amazon EC2 or anywhere on the web. Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.